Welcome, my witches, wanderers, and seekers, to our daily walk. It is January 20th. The moon continues its journey, a waxing crescent that promises growth and renewal. Outside, the frost still holds the world in the stillness of deep winter. As the light begins its slow return, a new invitation emerges. It doesn't come from the sky or the stars, but from within. It's a quiet whisper from your bones, a sigh from your muscles, a deep pull from the very cells that make you. Today, we answer that call. Our theme is returning to the body. We spend much of our time living in our minds, planning, worrying, analyzing, but our bodies are our first homes, our most sacred temples. This season, our priestess anchor is the returning body, a call to come back to this physical vessel with kindness and attention. Our guidance for today is a gentle truth. The dark moon recedes. The light grows daily. The body asks for restoration. In the hustle of modern life, we learn to push. Don't we? We just push it through. We treat exhaustion as a badge of honor and rest as a luxury we haven't earned. But the wisdom of deep winter teaches us otherwise. The land does not produce year-round. It requires a fallow period to regenerate. Your body is no different. The energy of the waxing moon is not about sprinting into new projects. It's about mindfully gathering the strength you will need. This is a time for deep, restorative magic. Think of your body as a garden after a long winter. You wouldn't immediately start demanding it produce fruit. You would tend to the soil. You would offer it water and gentle sunlight. You would give it time. What is your body asking for today? Is it more sleep? A warm bath? A nourishing meal? 5 minutes of quiet stretching? Often the most profound spiritual work we can do is simply to listen to our physical needs and honor them without judgment. Our spell work focus for today is restorative magic and waxing moon alignment. We align with the moon not by doing more, but by becoming more receptive to the energy that will fuel future action. This alignment begins by shifting our perspective on rest. Let's sanctify it with our invocation. Find a position that feels like rest to you. Maybe that's lying down or simply leaning back in your chair and closing your eyes. Allow your body to feel heavy and support it. Let your breath be natural. No need to control it. Just notice it. Now bring these words into your awareness. Let them be a balm. And that's balm, B-A-L-M. Rest is ritual. Feel the truth of that. Rest is not laziness. It is a sacred right. Stillness is devotion. Let that sink in. In your quiet, you are honoring the divine within you. Let's repeat them together as a promise to our bodies. Rest is ritual. Stillness is devotion. How do we practice this deep restorative magic in a world that never stops? We must carve out our sanctuary. Your witch's practice for today is a radical act of self-love. Create space for unstructured rest. This is not about scheduling a nap or a meditation session, though those are wonderful. It is about finding a pocket of time. It could be 10 minutes, it could be an hour, and leaving it completely empty. No to-do list, no phone, no book, no agenda. During this time, simply allow yourself to be. Lie on the floor and listen to music. Stare out the window. Doze if you feel sleepy. Stretch if your body asks for it. The point is to have no goal other than to exist in your body, free from expectation. This unstructured time allows your nervous system to reset. It is in these moments of doing nothing that the body's innate wisdom can finally be heard. It is where the magic of restoration truly happens. As you move through the rest of your day, carry this awareness with you. You are a living, breathing temple. Every moment of rest is a prayer. Every moment of stillness is an offering. The light is returning, and so are you. Back to yourself, back to your body. Tend to it well. Thank you for walking this path of gentle restoration with us. Until tomorrow, blessed be.